Follow the recipe to make enough of this side salad to feed 6 people. I made a double batch on the day we filmed this clip. You will need medium-sized tomatoes, a medium-sized onion, fresh mint, lemons, salt, sugar. Chop 4 tomatoes into quarters. Use a knife and a spoon to remove the seeds and watery liquid. Cut the tomato flesh into thin slices. Peel the onion and slice it thinly as well. Break apart the onion slices in a large bowl. Add the tomato slices. Finely shred 1/4 cup of mint leaves and add them as well. We had to use semi-dried mint leaves, but fresh would be better. Mix gently. Collect 60 milliliters of juice from the lemons. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir until the solids have dissolved. Pour this over the tomato mixture and gently toss everything together. Cover and let it rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. This is a great side salad for barbecue or as part of an Indian themed meal. You should make it right before you need it.